What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So let's just go ahead and jump right into it. I'm going to be using the 2 Cute acrylic powder today in the color Bubble Yum. It's a really pretty pink, like it's really gorgeous. The link to purchase this acrylic powder and also the monomer will be down below, and there will also be a code in the description box that you guys can use for money off. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and apply the acrylic to all 4 nails. This set is gonna be really simple. We're not doing any heavy nail art or any crystals. It's just gonna be a nice long simple set. I'm gonna be doing some clouds and some glitter hearts, just a tad bit, but nothing too crazy. All right, so I'm just gonna apply the acrylic to all 4 nails, and then I will be back when it is time for the nail art. Okay, so we are done applying the acrylic, and this is what they're looking like before the filing process. Some of them are a little fat, but we're gonna fix that. So after I filed it, this is what they are looking like, nice and sharp and straight. Okay, so I am going to apply a base coat after I wipe off all the nails with alcohol or clean them. I'm gonna apply this base coat from Beetles. Of course, all products used, the majority of the products used will be in my Amazon storefront. You guys can get these gel polishes from there, along with the tips, along with the practice hand nail files, the wipes, literally everything except for the acrylic powder you guys will find on Amazon. Okay, so I went ahead and applied the base coat to all 4 nails. Then of course I cured, and after that I went in with this white acrylic, again from Beetles, and I'm gonna go ahead and use that for the clouds. So I'm taking my dotting tool and I'm gonna apply the gel polish, just, you know, just dots, kind of like a cloud. It's not gonna be perfect. It's really hard to explain, so I hope you guys are understanding what I'm saying. So I went ahead and did that, and then I went ahead and took this cleanup brush and I dipped it in some alcohol. Some people use acetone, but I used alcohol because I do not have acetone. But alcohol works just fine. And so I'm just kind of like dotting it, like dotting the bottom, so that it's kind of fading away, so that it's not really a harsh white line. Because, you know, with clouds it's not harsh, everything is faded away. So I did that, went ahead and cured it, and now I took this pink. I didn't show you guys, but it's also from Beetles. That's the lightest pink that I had, and I just drew a heart crossing, and that was it. Nothing too major, simple. And then I went ahead and did the clouds to the rest of the nails, again taking my brush, dipping it in some alcohol, and kind of just fading it out so that it's not really a harsh line. I had to go back in a little bit, but you just fade it out to your liking. Some people like the, you know, the harsh look. Excuse me, but I don't really like that look. I like the fading look. It looks a little bit more natural, like actual clouds. So after I cured the clouds, I kind of felt like it was a little bit plain. So I went in and took my McCart rhinestone gel glue, and I just added some of the glitter hearts that I had from Amazon, and I just took them and just stuck them on, kind of like sticking on rhinestones, but I just took like individual hearts and just stuck them on. And I kind of wanted them to look as if they're like the hearts were going like up in the sky and the clouds, you know, kind of like you got your head in the clouds when you're thinking about somebody, kind of like that. That's the setup that I was going for, the theme that I was going for. So yeah, I just stuck them on in between the clouds. I didn't really want them to be facing like straight up or going straight up. I kind of wanted them to slant a little bit, some of them. And so after I have applied all of them, of course I went ahead and cured. I don't really show me curing that much, but you guys know that I cure. I went in with my matte top coat. I didn't want to leave them shiny. I wanted them matte. So I went in with my matte top coat. Now I don't just do like, you know, the regular swipe and done and then cure and then I'm done, because the gel, I'm sorry, not the gel, because the hearts were kind of like sticking up a little bit, I wanted it to be a little smooth. So you guys will see me kind of flip the nail over, kind of as if I'm doing gel nails, if I'm using like a builder gel, because of the hearts. So of course I went ahead and cured that. I did a final file just to straighten up that shape and clean it up a bit so that's nice and sharp, and that was it. So again, this set was really simple. Let me know what you guys think, if you guys liked it, yay, nay, if I should have added some more stuff. Yeah, let me know what you guys think. Again, the links will be in the description box down below, and that's it. So I will see you guys in my next one. Stay beautiful. Mwah.